Audi stands for innovative mobility. This is also evident in the progressive design of the four rings, one of the most distinctive marks of Audi. Now the corporate identity of the brand has been revised, and so has the design of the four rings.
When you think of Audi, I'm pretty sure you see four rings, and that's a good sign. With our overall new CI strategy and our discrete yet high quality two-dimensional rings, we take our DNA to the next level.
We started this project here in the Audi tradition. We learned a lot about the origin of this unique logo and the evolution of the four rings over the past 90 years.
The iconic four interlaced rings came up when four different automakers merged in 1932 to create what was then called the Auto Union. In 1965, the company was rebranded under the name Audi.
Our ambition is to develop Audi into a high-class brand with attention to details, rethinking standards, the passion towards innovation while still being sophisticated.
The redesign for a more modern image was an intense process. The outcome is the most beautiful form made by four rings.
The adaptation of the Audi rings in a two-dimensional look and feel is a clear step toward a holistic brand appearance at every customer touchpoint. It emphasizes the iconic character of the four rings.
The four rings of the future play with the dimensions and represent state-of-the-art automotive design.
The rings will also be consistently chrome-free and will be white in the future. The striking white is continuously embedded in the black glass body and thus has an even greater radiance. The rings float in the black frame. And this makes the rings very visible from afar, but in detail they still appear three-dimensional and extremely high quality.
We want to become even more clearer, even more consistent, even more reduced. No line, no shape, no badge should be redundant. This means that every form has a clear function, because good design is less design.